This is the AZ 900 exam, and this gives you a foundational knowledge of Azure, and this is not a prerequisite to take any of the other Azure exam, but if you have no experience or very limited experience with Azure, it will be good to take the AZ 900 exam. So going through this page, it gives you the basic, gives you the skills and objectives um, for this exam. And so if we click on download exam skill outline, and so this is going to change this, so make sure to keep on checking this, because as you can see, the time of recording, this was last updated on May 5th, so you might want to check this from time to time, right? So here are the different modules. So the first one is describe cloud concepts, which is 25 to 30% the exam, and then you have describe Azure architecture and services, describe Azure storage services, describe Azure identity, access and security. Okay, and then you describe Azure management and governance, cost management, feature and tools for Azure governance and compliance, features and tools for managing and deploying Azure resources, and describe monitoring tools in Azure. Alright, so let's go back, and if you scroll down, you'll see a learning path, and it's always good to go through this, because first of all, it's going to cover most of what you need to know for the exam, and it's free. So and you can track your progress and stuff like that. So if you go through this collection, so you start with Azure Fundamentals, describing core Azure concepts, and then we go to Azure services, and then core solutions and management tools in Azure, general security and network security features, identity, governance, privacy and compliance. And notice there is show more, so see if there's any more. Okay, and then I think the last one is describe Microsoft cost management and service level, and then and you can see how many modules are there for each one. So in this series, we'll be going through each one of them, right? We'll be covering each one of them, and possibly also doing some lab exercises. So it'll be walkthroughs. So in the next video, we'll get started with Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, describing core Azure concepts. So until then, see you next time.